Hi, I'm Key to Billions, and in this video, we're getting an 800 credit score. I want to share with you 4 ways to increase your credit score. There's no order in which this is done. It really just takes discipline and being consistent. Let's get into it. The first way that you can start increasing your credit score is to build or rebuild your credit history. You want to add new accounts to your credit. I recommend secured loans. Now, secured credit cards, on the other hand, is okay, but if your goal is to get high limit credit cards, if you do get a secured card, you want to put down the maximum amount on that card. Because what you have to understand is that you can't have a $500 secured credit card reporting on your credit report trying to get a $10,000 unsecured credit card when you've only showed worthiness for that $500 secured credit card. So how can I trust you with 10? And that's really how the banks look at it. Number 2, pay your credit bills on time. Those car loans, all those credit cards, you want to pay those on time. If ever you cannot pay the minimum amount, try to pay something to prevent it being reported to the credit bureaus as a late payment, because being late can cost you up to 70 points. And we're not trying to decrease, we're trying to increase. Okay. Number 3, okay? Keep your credit utilization low. This is done by paying down your credit card balance to 5 to 10%. Don't carry high balances. As I stated in my what is utilization video, where I break down what credit utilization is, keeping your utilization rate at 30% doesn't hurt your score, but it will not help your score either. It doesn't help you increase. Last but not least, keep track of your credit by monitoring your credit report. If you find any errors on your credit report, dispute it by sending out those dispute letters. And if you need help with creating your dispute letters, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Check out my free 30-day credit boost guide in the description section below this video to help with your credit boost journey. If you've gotten this far in the video and you've gotten any kind of value from the information, please thank me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.